All right, so I've been silent today, but it's because a fella's been busy, all right? I've been knocking stuff out. I don't have time to be sitting on the phone talking to you guys because I'm trying to do stuff, okay? I'm just kidding. No, but I have been busy though. That's why I will never be famous at Instagramming and YouTubing because I don't ever show you when I'm doing stuff. I show you when I'm done because I just have to get it done. So anyway, hey, I didn't show you. Let's check this out. This is the this is like a whole nother little church for the children. I mean, they're redoing all this now, but isn't that cool? So I was gonna kind of take you around real quick. Oh, hang on a second. I'll wait for these people to pass. Yeah, look at all the tools too. Man, he's got a cordless router. So this is the long hallway, and then I think there's people in there. Oh, there's nobody in there now. Check this out. This is the sanctuary. I don't think there's anybody in there. Check this out. How sweet is that, huh? Look how big it is. Nice, huh? Echo. I kind of did that myself. Anyway, there's the sanctuary. And then kind of go through here. I'm not going to show you around everything, but I do want to show you the things we finally finished up. So let's take a little tour here. A couple of different stairways, but let's go take a look here. See who we run into. Yeah, so they had electrical sticking out from the wall, so we hit it. I think I showed that in another video. Pretty cool. And then Head's been painting all day. Look at it. Nice, huh? Look at it. It's got a little. Oh, you don't have to.
Oh, I need to make sure it's not stuck.
So look, little hidden wall, little magnet catches. Pretty neat, huh? And then I wouldn't run into anybody. Let's go down here and take a look here. So they finally got all the shelves painted. Very nice. We got little cubbies for all the little kitties, and then they wanted just long stuff there. And then, no? And then we put the beadboard up in here. Then they also wanted a countertop, so we put a countertop in. And then, look at this. Look at this neat little idea. We did a little cubbies there, and they got a little leftover beadboard in the back too. How cool, huh? Got that done. And then the last thing, I know this is long, but listen, we've been here all week. And then I don't think I even showed you this, did I? Yeah, here we go. Check this out. This is, so there's not a whole lot we can do with like covering those pipes and stuff, but try to make it a little more presentable. So we put a little built-in to cover it out of MDF, and then did a little divider and threw one before. I mean, we just wanted it big enough, strong enough, so that way, you know, putting Tide and those big things on there. So listen, I know you're waiting. I don't have a lot of jokes right now. I'm tired. Okay, we're wore out. A fella's out of gas. And then lastly, anybody in there?
Their dog might be in there. But you can go in there.
I think we got a dog in there. Yeah, they're both downstairs. So let's just look here. Hey, pups. That's a dog. I didn't make him. Can I see the?
Wants to show.
I want to do a video of the. Can I look at the closet? I want to put it on there. Come here, pups. Check this out. I didn't show you this, but look at the blank palette that was here. And now look at that. Big nice closet. This was specifically designed for big, huge totes that they have. They want to put up. And then we did another. And then look at that. I mean, wouldn't you love to have this closet? Isn't it amazing? How big it is. That is, you can't really, listen, I'm not a good camera person, but look at this. That is 12 foot long, like 12 foot of clothes hanging joy. You believe that? All right, so that's it. So we're gonna head back in the morning. Thanks for joining us.